from the agency in Emerald. I'm here at 87 Opal Street. This property is a pleasure for me to bring to market. With 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, this property has so much potential. My favourite part of this property has to be this upstairs living space. It is light-filled, is the second living space in this property and offers so much space for large families to spread out. If you could see yourself in this property, whether you have a large family to accommodate or you're an investor looking for some healthy returns, reach out to myself, Heather Price at the agency.